this video, we will show you how to use Wavefront Top, a tool that allows users to quickly and easily identify namespaces with high PPS or greater lag percentages. To download Wavefront Top, you can clone from the GitHub page and run on your local machine. The GitHub page includes a README with screen captures, feature descriptions, and startup directions. You must provide a cluster and a token when logging in. The cluster is the name of your Wavefront instance. The token is the Wavefront API token for the instance. The connection status of the SPY API, an HTTP endpoint to sample data your instance is currently ingesting, is displayed in the upper left-hand corner. This status displays three states: connected, connecting, and disconnected. Wavefront Top supports automatic reconnection on server disconnects or network faults. Sampling rate for the Wavefront SPY endpoints is displayed and configurable. Typical Wavefront clusters allow up to 5% sampling. Wavefront Top automatically scales all PPS measurements on the sampling percentage. Metric, host, point tag keys or point tags are sliced into namespaces. Estimated PPS shows the points per second sent by a particular namespace, and percent access indicates how many of these points were accessed in the last given days. The number of metrics and hosts are displayed, as well as the range of values the metric reports. Separators control how metrics are split up into folders and can be configured. To select and view namespace information, drill down and select using keyboard keys. The letters highlighted in red, displayed at the bottom row, are not hotkeys. Order of metric namespaces can be sorted based on columns, and order is reversible. The configuration screen allows you to configure your SPY API endpoint parameters when sampling data. The default analysis dimension is set to metric, but you can set it to host, point tag keys, or point tags. Default sampling is set at 1%. Default separators are period, hyphen, and underscore. Default usage lookback days is set to 7 days. You can also alter the tree depth. Default is 10, and max children per node. Default is 1,000. Our team at Wavefront is continually adding features. To keep up with the newest version of Wavefront Top, visit the GitHub page for additional features and updates.